Many Crash Team Racing players ask the question, how can I beat Oxide's Ghost on Dragonmines? Today we are going to help you beat N Trophy or even Oxide's Ghost on Dragonmines. The Ghost races in CTR, they teach you so much. Really guys, take Oxide as a teacher and not as an opponent or as something you can't beat. One boost to the left, then you could jump here to get an extra boost. Triple boost to the right, make sure your boosts are always at max. Then we triple boost to the left again. After that we just do some bunny hops just to keep our boost. Triple boost to the left again, make sure you don't get crushed by the minecart. Triple boost to the right, then we bunny hop to the right on the bridge, make sure you don't hit the wall too often. Then you triple boost to the left of the pillars, and one boost to the right, and you take your fire. This is the most important point. Don't bunny hop on that track here. Yeah, I restart that. That was actually not the run where I made it. But the goal is to keep your fire from the boost pad. So as soon as you boost before the boost pad, your goal is to keep your fire after that throughout the whole track. So the best would be you keep it to the bridge. That's like the furthest I would make it, because after the bridge you like have to bunny hop and stuff, so it'll be really hard to keep it there. As you can see, it's very important to stay on the left side because you can corner the map much better. Here I kept my fire, and don't hop too much on that. Yeah, on the way where you're very slow. Here I hit the wall, but it was okay. I kept my boost for long enough, so Oxide is already far behind. Oxide doesn't get his fire for the entire lap, the second lap. He gets it the third lap. So you're okay if you mess up one or two things in the second lap. Just don't mess up in the third lap, or just be quick. But somehow I still managed to get him. I think it's because I took the turn at the bridge really good. So here we're both kind of even. And as you can see, I also don't take the shortcut. Yeah, there I took the boost for a very long time. I also didn't hit the wall for many times, just like Oxide. Oxide I think hits it much harder. Yeah, and that's how you beat Oxide. So the most important thing is to always boost at max, always boost above 90% of your boost meter, and chain your boosts. 3 in a row is like the best you can do. Try to always hit that, and also try to not hit any walls or go too far without boosting. And yeah, also very important, try to boost a lot after the bridge. So that's why it's so important you start already on the bridge doing the 3 boosts to the left, and then one more boost on the boost pad so you keep your fire. As soon as you keep for fire for a little bit, you should beat Oxide as long as you don't do big mistakes. You can try it with the shortcut too, with the minecart shortcut, but I think it's really hard to learn for beginners, and I will recommend you just going for the bridge and learning how to get that curve right. And yeah, that's how I beat Oxide. I hope you can do it shorter than I did, because I took 2.5 hours to beat him, but with this video it should take you a little bit shorter, and I hope you get some more time to play online or to get some points. So yeah, just enjoy your day, and if you have other questions, catch me on stream and I'll show you how to beat any other tracks live, or just write it in the comments below and I'll make a separate video for you. So yeah, have a nice day.